Good morning, student. Today we are going to start our new poem, The Shed. The poet of the poem, The Shed, is Frank Fillon. Before starting the poem, first we know what is shed. Do you know what is shed is? A cow shed, a tool shed, a wood shed. For example, we can use shed to keep our animals. We can also use shed to keep our tools, wood, etc. For example, it's a small room away from the main house for storing or keeping things, animals, tools, vehicle, etc. In this poem, we also read about the shed. First, we will read the poem. There's a shed at the bottom of our garden with a spider's web hanging across the door. The hinges are rusty and creak in the wind. When I'm in bed, I lie and listen. I'll open that door one day. In these lines, the speaker is a little boy and he says, there is a shed at the bottom of our garden. The boy is saying that there is a shed, a little room at the bottom of his garden with a spider's web hanging across the door, and there is a web of the spider is hanging on the door. The hinges are rusty. Hinges are the bearing of the door or the joints of the door on which the door moves. Hinges are rusty, full of rust. When the moisture in the atmosphere, the iron turn into red, that is called rusting, and creak in the wind. And when the winds blow, it's make a creaking sound. When I am in bed, I lie and I listen. And when the boy laid in his bed, he heard the noise of that door. I'll open that door one day. The boy is saying that he will open that door one day. The boy is curious to know what is inside the shed. So he want to say that he will open that door one day. Now in the next para, there's a dusty old window around at the side with 3 cracked panes of glass. I often think there's someone staring at me. Each time that I pass, I'll peep through that window one day. In these lines, the boy says the window is old and dusty because the shed is not in use. So the window is dusty, which is at the side of the shed. There are 3 panes of glass which are cracked, and the boy often thinks there's someone staring at him. Somebody is staring at him each time that I pass. Whenever the little boy passed from the side, he thought somebody is staring at him inside the shed. I'll peep through that window one day. And he was deciding that one day he will peep. Peep means to look into. He will look inside the window. My brother says there's a ghost in the shed who hides under the rotten floorboard, and if I ever dare to set food inside, he'll jump out and chop off my head. But I'll take a peek one day. In these lines, the little boy says that his brother always frightened him to say that a ghost lives in the shed, and he hides himself under the rotten floorboards. And if he ever dared to set foot inside, if he ever tried to go inside the shed, the ghost jumped on him and chop off his head. Chop off means cut off his head. But I will take a peek one day. But the little boy is saying one day he will definitely go inside the shed. Now the next paragraph. I know that there isn't really a ghost. Now the boy is frightened, but he is curious also, and he is saying in this line that he know there is no ghost. The reason of that, my brother tells lies to keep the shed for his den. The little boy is saying that he know his brother wants to keep that shed for his own purpose. So his brother is telling lies to him. There isn't anyone stirring or making strange noises. Now the little boy is saying there is nobody inside the shed and nobody is stirring. Stirring means gazing, and nobody making strange noises. And the spiders has been gone from his web, and the spider's web are also empty or vacant because spiders had been gone away from there. Since I didn't know when, I will go into that shed one day soon. Now the little boy is determined that one day he will go inside the shed, but at present he doesn't know when he will go inside the shed, but one day he will definitely go inside the shed, but not just yet. But he is saying in the last line, not yet, but one day he definitely go inside the shed. Now this is our poem Shed. I hope you will understand the meaning of that poem. In that poem there is a little boy who is the poet himself. I hope you will understand the meaning of that poem. If you have any problem or any doubt in any part of the poem, you can ask me.